Want to find ESPN Fantasy League ID? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can easily do that. The first thing you want to do is open up the Fantasy app on your device. If you do not have it, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this. Now make sure to log into your account. Then you want to tap on Football. Here you want to select the league. Now tap on My Team. Now head over to the League tab, tap on League Info. Here you will find all the information about your league. In the Basic Settings tab, you have the option of League ID. It is at the end. This right here is your League ID. This is required to share your league with others, troubleshoot with ESPN support, or connect your league to third-party tools. And in this way, you can easily find the league ID inside the ESPN Fantasy Sports app. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.